The women of Udaipur Phulkumari blocks the Udaipur-Sabroom road, demanding the supply of good drinking water in their area. In consequence, both sides of the road was traffic jam.
The local people of Udaipur Phulkumari Canal Chomni village were suffering scarcity of fresh drinking water for a very long term. The villagers have been complaining several times about the scarcity of water to the Panchayat Secretary and block development officers. However, the block and DWS department officer doesn't hear their problems. On that account, the women of Udaipur Phulkumari doesn't have any option and initiated the road blockade on Friday. With that, lots of bike and vehicles were stuck in a traffic jam on the highway. The Radhakishorpur police and few politicians arrived at the village immediately after they got the information about the road block. However, none of the DWS and block development officers went and visited at the incident.
ঠিক আছে এখন তো প্রতিশ্রুতি কি পাইছে তারপর আসলে উদ্যোগ করছেন কেন জলের সমস্যাটা কি কি না হয়েছে
At the end, the minister promised to supply the water through a vehicle water tank. With that, the villagers withdraw the roadblock. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.